What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. How is everybody doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. My Ferrari hat, because I do need a haircut. And you know what, I was driving the other day, then the top was off on my car, and you know what, it's hot. Like I know it's winter, but the summertime, and right now a little bit because it went. So this is the I got some question on this. If I can find the link, it's gonna be down below in the description for my car cover. Car cover. It's two tones. This car cover is awesome. It was a little bit over $200, but I got it for $199 plus shipping. It's really awesome. I got it from Amazon, and when it rains, when it pours rains, because my garage is open, you uncover the car, right? So we gotta uncover it now because I gotta do that. The dash lettering kit. So when it rains, it doesn't snow here, it held dust, anything, it keeps it. Look at this, it rained yesterday, so look at that. Can you see? Clean. I don't have to do anything. So I love this car cover. I like the product. It's pretty cool. And this section right here, because this is open, so I got the cars, because here I don't want to park the car on rocks, but I gotta move this forward because this section here in summer, it gets really hot because you're just right under the sun, and it gets 120 in Arizona. So this section faded, but the car inside is perfect. It's perfect. It's really thick. It's really thick and smooth from the inside. It's not gonna scratch the car. As much as it rains, it's gonna stay, the car's gonna stay dry inside. You uncover it, you don't have to do any wiping, and you'll be good to go. So I love this car cover. If I find the link, which I probably will, it's gonna be below. So let's get to it. So I'm covering the car. When I uncover it, I don't let this part, because this part is dusty, touch the paints. So you just pull back. See how clean is that? And it was raining the last weekend. It was raining too, and I did not have to do any wiping. It's awesome. See, smooth material. So, oh, I gotta grab the key. It's locked, obviously. It's in the garage. By the way, this is my room. I got the seat foam right here. That's for the driver's side. All brand new seat foam. I got this from Costco. It's quarters. It's 6 quarters. I got my lights that's going next. I'm gonna make videos on these. I got parts that I need to put on the vet, you know, because people, like, I explain them, they just don't believe me. So here we go, we're showing it in the video. My computer here, 8080. I'm gonna make video on this too. I'm just waiting for the hardware. I got the mesh. What else I got? This been sitting here for at least a year. I'm not even gonna talk about it. Spark plugs and wires, GM Performance wires, diff fluid, trans fluid, as you can see, like a lot of stuff. So I just got to get the time to install. So we're gonna go ahead and open this really quick, right? And wipe, try to wipe inside the letters. I got cut myself. Yes, I do work on my car. That's how I cut myself. It was under the hood, in case if you were wondering. So right in the letters, so they stick well. And this is really sketchy. Like, well, the first time I did it in my last Corvette, I had to order another one, I think, or I might be fixed it. I don't really quite remember. It was a long time ago. You want to thoroughly do that. All right, now we're done that. Let's move to the letters. Oh yeah, totally. This. Totally. Look how easy was that. I was just trying to do a test run. You just grab it and you lay it in there. So easy. Let me do a couple of more letters and I will show how to do it with this really quick. Let me just do a couple more letters. That is it so far. Look how clean the install is. By the way, I really recommend the toothpick. I know I said you really don't have to, but in my situation I did have to, because when I lay it down I want to press it. So you press it so it stays down, but this is right in the middle and it's looking pretty good. All right, so You just want to record the dash. It's my dad helping me record. Alright, so you're gonna grab this. Man, the R is gonna be really tough. So you're gonna grab this. You wanna record the dash. You're gonna grab this real quick. That's how I hold it. Look at this, you guys. That's how I hold it, and that's the toothpick. And excuse me if I'm in the picture or in the video, but it's really tough. You are a champion if you don't mess it up and you install them for the first time. So, see, the toothpick help you unstick it. Then that's the toughest part I'm doing right now. Not really, but the second toughest part. Toughest part is the ease. So you stick right there, you press, then leave it from here. There we go. Let's see. And I want them, sometimes you can, that's the R. This thing is looking pretty good. I just gotta press it in. You want them to be right in the middle. So, see this one? Bam, let me just finish the rest and I will catch you guys right at the E. Alright guys, that's the last part, which is the E. It's pretty much the same for all of them. I just do it like this. Pick it up with like that. Then I just switch hands, so, because this side I can just do much better. So I can press it for the right side. You can do any side, but I'm comfortable with this side. And you want to put it right in the middle. I do mine right in the middle. Then you get the toothpick and you just kind of squeeze it in. Now I did not put it right this time. It happens. Alright, let's see. I'm really picky with this. So, come on. You need to be patient with this. See if I can do it right. The thing is, it's moving. When I put it, it's moving. I think the alcohol just dried, and as it should right away. It does it right away. Let's see this one. We want it right there, right in the middle. Okay. Now you press it here. That's the last part. And if I can get this part right, this would be. I really did better than I thought. Because I think it's gonna be squirrely, and I'm gonna be fine with it, and maybe replace it later after a couple of months. But I think I did a very good job. So see, let's do it letter by letter. See how clean is that? No bubbles. Not tilted or not anything. So that's very awesome. It looks pretty clean. I like the look. Gives the dash much modern look, and it just matches my car exterior. Alright, that's all my cars is wires. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It gives your car much modern look. It's 13-14 bucks, and they have free shipping on it. So if you have a black car, my buddy has a black car. I think he has red or white. There are all sort of colors out there, and it's just overall a cool experience. It is a cool experience for the inside. It's pretty cool. It matches my red right here, door handle, and all that. It matches the exterior perfectly because it's the same color. So please subscribe below, hit that thumbs up button, and the next mod should be doing the interior LED lights. I'm swapping every single light to an LED, white LED, so that will be awesome. Gives the car modern look, obviously, better from the yellow you cannot see anything. And that's all. I will see you guys later. Peace.